This video will show you how to install wall pads that are lip top and bottom from Greatmats. For this project, you will need a tape measure, level, drill, screws, furring strips, and a pencil. Start by determining the location of the installation. Then determine how many inches off the floor your wall pads will be installed. In most cases for custom pads, the pad height off the floor was determined during the CAD layout process. As a general rule, pads should be at least 4 inches above the finished floor. Now double check the full height measurement of the pad. Level a few marks or line across the wall at the bottom and top of the pads. These marks will guide the installation of our furring strips. The furring strips need to be installed above the bottom line and below the top line. Now pre-fasten screws to the furring strip using a level and a friend. Install the furring strips, making sure to connect to studs behind the wall. The furring strips may need to be cut for length. To ensure the top and bottom furring strips are aligned, use a level up from the bottom furring strip. Now install the top furring strip. For wall pads with heights of 4 feet or greater, it's a good idea to include a third furring strip in the middle to prevent wrinkling. Pre-fasten screws to the wall pads at the lip. With a friend helping to hold the pads, install the wall pads to the furring strips. Use 2 screws at the top and 2 screws at the bottom on each of the wall pads. We like to use torque head screws and a small washer to help secure the screws to the wall pads. Now enjoy your new installation. Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today.